All right, today I have an Apple Watch, and I'm going to show you how to measure your blood oxygen level within an Apple Watch. So right here, I have my Apple Watch. It's securely fastened on my arm. Now, in order to get to the app that measures your oxygen, it comes with the watch itself, but you have to get to it. In order to get to the app, you simply come over here to the knob on the side, press it in, tap it in, and it goes to right here to where you have access to the apps. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down to blood oxygen. Right here, this is where the app is for checking the blood oxygen. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and tap on this, okay? And I'm going to go ahead and tap on this. And right now it says my oxygen level, 22 minutes ago, my oxygen levels was at 100%. Okay, that was 22 minutes ago. I'm going to start this, and it's going to start to detect what my blood oxygen levels are at currently. So I'm right here. I'm going to go ahead and press start. And within 15 seconds, it's going to actually finish reading what my blood oxygen's at. It says hold still, try not to move your hand. And it says right here, blood oxygen levels right now are at 95%. All right. It says you can view blood oxygen measurements in the health app on the iPhone. All right. So this is my results right here. It says 95. I'm going to go ahead and press learn more. And it says about blood oxygen measurements. Blood oxygen, also known as oxygen saturation, represents the percentage of hemoglobin in your red blood cells that is carrying oxygen. Most people have blood oxygen levels between 95 and 100%. Your blood oxygen level can vary throughout the day. Note, blood oxygen measurements are not intended for medical use. So this is not intended for medical use. This is just an app that comes installed, pre-installed on your watch. Okay, so this does not replace you going to your doctor and getting an accurate measurement for your blood oxygen. This is just merely an app, a tool that you can use, and I'm just merely explaining to you how to get to that app. All right, so that is how you check your blood oxygen with a Apple Watch. In order to know the instructions incomplete, please read your owner's manual for your Apple Watch that you have. All right. I hope this video was helpful, giving you some sort of guidance. Thanks a lot for watching.